Hi kindergarten, it's Mrs. Crawford and I'm back with you today bringing another lesson where we will learn a new reading strategy. Remember, reading strategies are the things we do as we read to help us solve tricky words. Now the last time I talked to you, we used our bookmark and we talked about using the picture to help us solve tricky words. Well, we're going to always do that first. But today I'm going to teach you another strategy that also helps. It's not on the bookmark. It's kind of a strategy that we just keep in our head as we read. As a reader reads a story, they want to make sure that the story sounds right, that the words they are saying sound the way they're supposed to. Now I'm going to read a book to you today, and we're going to kind of listen to see what does that mean, it sounds right. We're going to read a sentence that sounds wrong, and then we're going to read a sentence that sounds right so that you can see the difference. And that helps you as you're reading to think, oh, okay, that sounds right. Or, no, that doesn't sound right. I need to try again. But before we read our story, I have a real quick lesson on our snap words, the words we know really fast that are in our books. I have two new words that we're going to talk about today. They're in our book that I'm going to read to you, and they're words that kindergartners should know really fast. So, hold on just a minute. I'm going to move to that lesson. All right, kindergarten, here we are. Take a peek at my word. Do you know that word? Can you read it fast? Everybody try. Ready? 1, 2, 3, read it. Did you say look? If you said look, you were right. So what I'm going to do is something that I like to do with my magnetic letters. If you have magnetic letters at home, you could try this too. I am going to take my letters and I'm going to mix them all up. Just like this. Oh no, they're all jumbled up now. Now what I want to do is I want to fix them fast. I want to spell the word look fast. Can you help me do that? Do you remember what letter was first? Yep, it was L. Then what? Yep. Oh, you knew that was fast. And what's the last letter? You betcha. K. L-O-O-K, look. Oh, I mixed them up again. Let's do it one more time. Oh, I lost my L. All right, are you ready? We got to do it fast. Let's see how fast we can do it. Ready? You say the letters with me to spell it fast. Ready? Go. L-O-O-K. Ooh, did you do it that fast? My letter's a little wonky, but it still says the word look. The next thing I like to do when I'm practicing my letters is after I make it, I want to spell it with my dry erase marker. So I'm going to write L-O-O-K, look. I'm going to write it again. Look. One more time. Look. I wrote it and read it 3 times fast, and that is going to help me practice the word look. I have another word that we're going to practice really fast today, and then in our next lesson we'll do another new word. This word is one that we all probably know pretty fast. Did you say it? Did you say it fast? Did you say is? If you did, you are right. This is the word is. I-S is. Now you know what I'm going to do, right? I'm going to mix it up just like this. Oh, there. Oh, wow, that looks awfully silly. The I is upside down. Now I'm going to fix it. Are you ready? Here I go. Help me out. You say the letters really fast. Which letters first? I. Yes, you're right. What's next? Oh, you knew it. You knew S. Is. That's my word. I'm going to read it. I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to spell it I-S. And I'm going to read it is. There's my word. Now I'm going to write it. I-S is. I-S is. One more time. Is. I wrote it fast and read it fast 3 times. Now, boys and girls, if you're saying, Mrs. Crawford, that was fun, but I don't have any magnetic letters at home, I completely understand. Another fun way to do this activity, though, is to write the letters of the word on a piece of paper and cut them out. Just cut around them into squares or circles, and then lay them on a flat table. And again, you can mix them up so they're not in the right order and fix them fast. and then write them 3 times fast and read them on a piece of paper. So even if you don't have magnetic letters at home, even if you don't have a magnetic dry erase board, you can do the same activity with pencil and paper. And it's a lot of fun. So if you have some time, and I think you might, practice the word look and practice the word is, because those are 2 words that you need to know. They're also going to be in my story today. So hold on tight. I'll be back in just a second with our story. Welcome back, kindergarten. You just finished that quick lesson on the words is and look, 2 words we need to know fast. That's going to help us when we read our story today. But now I want to talk to you about our new reading strategy. Read the sentence again and think what would sound right. There's my ear to remind me that I am going to listen for what sounds right. Now in our story today, we're going to have a sentence and a tricky word covered up. Our job's going to be to use this strategy. Reread the sentence, Rosie loves, and think, what would sound right? And try to solve that tricky covered word. Are you ready? Here we go. Our story today is called Bella and Rosie Love Spring by Michelle Dufresne. I'm going to take a quick look at my picture first, because that's my first strategy. Look at the picture to help. Look, said Bella. Spring is here. I like spring, said Rosie. Oh, I have a tricky word. Let's take a closer look at this picture to see if that helps. I see flowers, I see Bella, I see Rosie, I see the patio. Let's see what this might be. Look, said Bella, I can see patio. I can see patio? That doesn't sound right. I don't think that was the right choice. Flowers, maybe? Let's try that, see if it sounds right. I can see flowers. Oh, that sounds right. Let's check and see if I'm correct. Oh, I can see flowers. I think that is correct. Do you think it's correct? Let's keep reading. Look, said Rosie, I can see leaves. If you look at that picture closely, that will help you solve that word. Lots of leaves. Look, said Bella, I can see birds up in the tree. Bella and Rosie are looking up in the sky, up high at the tree. Oh, I have another word to solve. Let's see. If I use my picture to help me, I see Bella and Rosie, and there's a big hole. Wonder what they're going to do with the big hole. Let's read and find out. Look, said Bella, I can see hole. Hole. Kindergarten, does that sound right? I can see hole. I don't think I'm right. I think I need to try again. There's a hole. It's a lot of dirt and it's kind of wet. Oh, I wonder if it's mud. Should we try that? Let's see if that sounds right. I can see mud. Oh, I think that sounds right. Let's check it. Do you think it's mud? Let's look. I can see mud. Yep, that sounds right. And if I look closely, it looks right too. Uh-oh. I'm a little worried about what Bella and Rosie are going to do in that mud. Are you? Let's read and find out. Oh, no. Bella. I love spring, said Bella. Oh dear, said Rosie. All right, kindergarten, you helped me today use my strategy. Were you able to listen closely as you read and figure out what words sound right? If you remember when we were reading our story and we came to this page, we said, I can see patio, and that didn't sound right. So we fixed it and said, I can see flowers. That sounds right. So make sure as you're reading your stories, you make sure it sounds right. So let's see if we can answer or finish the sentence on our chart. Rosie loves. What would sound right? What did Rosie love in our story? Do you remember? Yep, you're right. Rosie loves spring. Good solving, kindergarten. Keep up the good work. Stop on those tricky words and use those strategies. Look at that picture and now think, what would sound right as you're reading? And I'll be back Monday with another reading strategy that is going to help us solve tricky words. Happy reading, super readers. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.